everybody, welcome to the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith channel. Today we're making a birthday cake for my daughter-in-law, and it is, get this, banana, coconut, pineapple, upside down cake made in an iron skillet. So I've never made it. Sounds good. I mean, it's got a lot of combination to it. The oven is preheating to 375. We're making it in this iron skillet right here, which is, depending on who you talk to, it's a 9-inch, 10-inch, whatever. So it depends on who you ask.
Well, it depends on who knows how to measure.
Well, there may be that. All right, so first off, we are going to put in 2 tablespoons of butter in here. We're going to get that melted.
We'll put it in.
I did. Turn it down a little bit because I know this baby gets hot. We'll get this melted and coat the sides a little bit.
Yeah, go ahead.
I think I will.
Think you should.
Guys, it's going to be 86 today. Is that what it said? Or 88? 86?
Somewhere around there.
Woo! This is Sunday.
Too hot for Billy to be outside.
Really? If you had something to do with your shed, you'd be out there in it.
Oh, I do have something to do out there. I just have to go to Lowe's and get some more wood to put on the walls.
So my son and granddaughters and daughter-in-law and her daughter, they're all coming today. They're on their way. And this is the daughter-in-law, Ashley. What she requested for her birthday. Okay, so see, that's already boiling away. So we got 2 tablespoons of butter. We're going to mix 3/4 cup of brown sugar down in that. Because we're making like pineapple upside down cake. Get that all in there.
That's going to be good.
Get that all down in there. And that butter. And then we're going to put the pineapple. Now, pineapple is whatever kind you use. Now,
Or have.
well, there's that too. Whatever you have, because use what you got is what we say. Nothing is carved in stone on this.
And we have cherries in there too if you want to put cherries
I thought
in
about
it.
that too. We got enough combination, I think. I don't know. All right, so we've got the butter, the brown sugar, and now we're going to add pineapple. I am using crushed pineapple that I forgot to get out of my draining area. So we're going to put on a 15-ounce, well, this is a 20, so I'm going to have to put it all in, can of pineapple.
Why not?
What's that sizzling? My goodness, turn that baby down. We don't want to cook it. Trying to get that heated up a little bit, melted in there. So we're going to use most of that. We reserved, it's drained. We reserved out a 1/2 cup of juice, and that's going to go in the cake. Okay? So we've got that on there.
That smells good.
Pineapple always smells good. And we're going to put on a 1/2 cup of coconut, sweetened flaked coconut. We're just going to sprinkle that on there, or all over your stove here, your pan.
I can say I've never had a cake like that.
Well, you're fixing to. All right.
Mouth's watering already.
We're going to let that sit there for just a minute or two, and now we're going to mix flour. I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour going in there, and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar going in there, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Always sticks, you know. Put that in there. And a 1/2 teaspoon or a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. going in. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And a half a teaspoon of cinnamon. All the dry ingredients. We're mixing them up here. Alright, we'll set that aside for a second. I have 1 tablespoon of oil, whatever kind you choose. Use what you got. And that half a cup of pineapple juice that we reserved, that's going in there. Alright, I think I got all my stuff except my banana here. And it's going to be a half a cup of banana smashed up. But look at this banana. You're going to use one that's soft. Look, all brown on the outside, inside, perfect. Just like that. So I'm just going to put that on this plate here and smash her up so we can measure.
It'd probably take the whole banana.
Yep. At least. This was a pretty big banana though. Yep, you're going to use...
That smells good.
half a cup of smashed banana.
I love me some bananas.
And I'm pretty sure that 1 banana is going to do it. So, look at that.
Yep.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Okay.
Just like you, baby.
Thanks. You know how to spoil a girl, don't you?
You deserve it.
Alright, so I'm going to take my little whisk here and mix these together.
Whisk it. Whisk it up.
Don't do it all over me. I meant to wear my apron and I didn't. Alright, then we're going to just put that into the flour mixture. Pour it into here. And put it in the oven, 375 degree oven. So simple. Her cake was a simple one compared to my nieces that she wanted, or my granddaughters. Wow, she's gonna have to give me a little bit more challenge next time.
Are you putting any nuts in it?
No nuts. And I'm surprised there's no vanilla, but there is no vanilla.
Yeah.
But we do have cinnamon.
I would add vanilla just for a good measure.
I knew you would.
Because you know me, I like to just add a little extra to whatever the recipe calls for, because I'm extra.
He's that way. He could be fixing tuna salad and add
Oh, yeah.
add nuts or whatever.
Apple or grape. Whatever.
I like grape in my chicken salad. All right, guys. Oh, you know what I forgot? Bam!
An egg.
It's sitting right there. How do
And
you
you
forget?
know you got to have an egg in
How
it.
do you forget that? I don't know why I even put this stuff out.
I wonder sometimes.
Because I forget stuff. All right. Let's add that. Woo! Guys.
That might help it.
It might help it a little bit. All right. Now let's see if we can get that mixed in there. At least I remembered before I put it together. So many people say that I remind them of their cooking. So at least I am not the only one who does this stuff. And that's why we don't cut anything out, guys. Because I know I can't really be the only one that does stuff like this. But every time, that's getting old.
But we don't cut it out, though. We show it.
Yeah. Every time, though? Come on.
We keep it real here.
All right. So we're putting in the cake mix right on top of that. The cake batter, I should say.
Wow.
And we are going to bake this for 30 minutes.
Let's tell her it didn't turn out, so and I'll eat it all.
Yeah. She'll see that when she comes in. She'll say, ooh, that tastes terrible. You don't want that.
Yeah, you didn't want any of that. That wasn't no good.
All right.
That has to be good. Oh, man.
So here's what we got. We're going in a 375-degree oven for 30 minutes or until the knife or fork comes out clean. We'll be back. All right, everybody. This is the banana coconut pineapple upside down cake that we just pulled out of the oven. It was in there for 30 minutes. It's her birthday cake. Can you see her? This is my daughter-in-law, Ashley.
Hi.
Ashley, how many years?
38.
38.
Yes.
Oh, to be 38 again. All right, so we're going to let this cool. We're going to flip it upside down, and she'll do a taste test. All right, guys, we're back to doing a taste test on this. Let's see what we got. Banana, coconut, pineapple, upside down cake. Smells so good. Mmm. That's delicious. So now, I can't wait to get Ashley's taste on it. So we'll do a short on her tasting because she left for a minute. She'll be back. So guys, like, comment, share, subscribe please, and help us grow. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith Show. Peace out, guys.